Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search history. This is a quick and easy way to protect your privacy and keep your search results relevant. So, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down, tap on your activity. In your activity, scroll down and tap on recent searches. Here, you will find all your search history on Instagram. To clear individual searches, simply tap on the X next to the search term. To clear all of your search history, tap on Clear All in the top right corner. Tap on Clear All again to confirm. That's it. You've now successfully cleared your Instagram search history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.